Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm in download for Lexmark this here for Surya. And you type here the driver download. So I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. The driver print. And this here for official website, you click here. Okay, and this here for you the printer, you scroll down. This here for the title support, click here for the title. Okay, click here for the title driver and download. This here for the model, the basic model print, click file a driver. Okay, this here for the tech automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for Windows 11 or Windows 7 or the system operation for the Macintosh, all the operating system for the Linux, and this here for the tech automatic your driver support for your operating system, and this here for the driver recommended, and this here for the driver printer and scanner. If you need download, you click here for download the driver package, and this here for the uh, all operating system version for the Windows, and this here for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, and this here for all the support your order or operating system for the server, Windows server. And if you need to download, you click here for button start download. This here for your drive for download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please while finish ready for the load. If you finish ready for the load, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. Double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tech automatic your USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description of video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.